work they're doing is incredibly not only life-changing, but life-saving. Building advanced therapies, which 10 years ago were almost incomprehensible, and really are now cutting-edge medicine.
The life science industry, especially in this region, is booming. It's so exciting. There's so many opportunities, it's really growing. So the faster people can come up to speed, the better.
BioHub is satisfying an economic development need and a workforce development need all at the same time.
This is our time. We're here for a new direction and a new focus. We are going to arm Marylanders with the skills that they need to thrive in life sciences.